In this video, I'll be showing you how to co-wash your hair in twists. Conditioners are very useful to natural hair. It makes it soft, gives it moisture, aids manageability, and aside your deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner, regular conditioners do go a long way in helping our hair, so you should incorporate co-washes. So I get my hair dripping wet, drenched in cool water, not necessarily so hot, but if you're low porosity, then you want to go in with some higher temperature, and then apply my leave-in conditioner, my go-to VO5 leave-in conditioner. And then for some days, anyway, basically I'd apply the conditioners to my hair when it's dry, cover that with a plastic bag, and then leave it in for some good hours. And when I want to take my bath, I rinse it off and then shower. Here also, when I apply it, I leave it in my hair for a couple of minutes. Maybe I brush, do something, then I rinse it off, and then rinse off with cool water at this time, and then go a couple of rinses. So this just helps the hair kind of revive, when it's dry. Don't forget to go in with your cold water rinse. Kind of shocks the hair cuticles and let them lay flat. So it's very beneficial to go in with your cold water rinse. So what I really added to my co-washes is apple cider vinegar. I put a little into a cup of water, or like a tablespoon serving. This balances the pH level, lays down your hair cuticles, and then takes off any sort of buildup. So I leave this in my hair for like 3 minutes to 5 minutes, then rinse it off with my cold water. Rinse it off. So while I'm still in the shower, I'll seal all that moisture. So I've got enough water in my hair. I'll follow up with a leave-in conditioner, and then apply that the entire length of my hair, my ends, the root of my hair, not my scalp, but then the root of my hair, the entire length of the hair, and then the ends of the hair. I repeat that the whole head of hair, leave it to dry when it's no longer damp, and then it's no longer damp, basically it's dry. Then I would refresh my twists and go for like the next week. So boop, that's the refreshed twist. We have this for like the next 6 to 7 days before I either clarify scalp, cowash, or any other sort of treatment I like to do every other week.